Joe Fisher here, owner and brewmaster at Manskirt Brewing. I'm here with your craft beer and brewing tip of the week. When I was a home brewer, one of the first things that I wanted to do was stop bottling. Bottling is messy, it's a long and annoying process. So you're going to want to move into kegging. And one of the things that you need to know is the difference between a homebrew keg and a commercial keg. If you go to a bar or a liquor store and you buy a keg, or even from me at a brewery, you're going to get a commercial keg, which is called a Sankey keg, and they have a Sankey D connector on top. It looks like that, and it goes onto the top and twists, and then you snap the handle down and it's ready to dispense beer. So it's about 5 gallons, and this is the type of keg that you would put in a kegerator that you would get from a store. As a home brewer, you're going to use something called a Cornelius keg. And these kegs were originally designed to hold soda. You can see this is a Pepsi keg. And this is what's called a ball lock keg, which means these connectors, they have little balls inside and they lock onto the posts. You have one for gas, you have one for liquid. This is where the beer comes out. This is where the carbon dioxide goes in. And the nice thing about these kegs, which makes them a little easier to use at home than commercial kegs, is they have this lid, which you can pull out and you can stick your arm in for cleaning it. You can put your ingredients in if you want to dry hop it or if you want to add fruit or any sort of other additives to your beer. They're a lot more convenient to use than your commercial kegs because they're a lot easier to fill. You can also fill them right through this lid here. And they're also a lot cheaper and more readily available to home brewers. To see our full lineup of classes, please click on the link below.